to the oven cook. What I'm going to do today is something a bit different. I've had this bread maker in the cupboard for, oh my god, over 10 years. I'll try and make a little loaf, and I've done one the other night and it came out pretty good. So this makes a little pound loaf of bread, like this size. So basically just add all the ingredients in and switch it on and relax for an hour or so, or 2 hours. So basically what I'm going to do is start off, and apparently you have to do this in order. You'll get 140 ml of water, one tablespoon of skimmed milk powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, two cups of flour, I'm just using an all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of fast-acting yeast. I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of garlic granules. I'm going to have cheese, about a cup and a half of cheese, and about a cup of olives. And that's all there is to that. So all we got to do, switch this on, and basically it goes on to basic. Press start, and that is it. So all we do is sit back and relax, and we'll bring you back in a little while. So we'll see you soon. So a little while ago a little beeper went off, and now it's just doing its thing. I don't know what it's doing, but after a while this stops, and then it's left to rest, and it rises. Then after it's risen, the heaters come on and then starts cooking the bread. So we'll bring you back in a little while.
One eternity later.
Ooh. So after that time, our bread is done, and once it's cooled down, we'll bring it out and have a little carve up. So we'll see you soon. nice little olive bread with cheese, olives, and garlic granules. It smells absolutely great. So I'll have a bit of this later on. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.